Hello, good day. Welcome to Cerp TV. Hope I met you well. Welcome to our calculus class. I'm Dr. CPN. Today we have a problem on the board that says we should evaluate the integral of x square root of 2x plus 1 dx. Now let us begin quickly. Now we are going to take the whole of this to be our u. Somebody else might say, okay, let me just take what is inside the square root to be my u. Whichever one you take, you get pretty much the same answer. So let's start. You simply have, let our u be equal to this, be equal to square root of 2x plus 1. You can take let u be equal to 2x plus 1, you will get the same answer. You can try it and then leave your comments or what you think in the comment section below. Okay, now if u is that, then it means that u squared simply becomes equal to, I'm squaring both sides, 2x plus 1, and then we differentiate both sides. Now when you differentiate both sides, you are going to have 2u du becomes equal to 2. If I differentiate this, I get 2 dx. Beautiful. You differentiate this, you get 2 du, you differentiate this, you get 2 dx. Okay. These two can take care of these two so that I have that u du is equal to dx. So this is going to be a substitution here because I'm seeing the x. So in place of the x, I'm going to put u du. Okay, now coming back here, if we come back to this expression where u squared is equal to 2x plus 1, you are going to agree with me that from there, 2x is the same thing as u squared minus 1, and therefore x is equal to u squared minus 1 divided by 2. Perfect. So I'm seeing x here, so I'll be needing this substitution in place of my x. Thank you very much. So now let's perform the integral of x square root of 2x plus 1. This dx will now become equal to the integral. What is my x? Look at x here. It becomes u squared minus 1 divided by 2. And then this now becomes my u. And then dx is the same thing as u du. So multiplied by u du. Beautiful. Now you notice that there is 1 over 2 here because of these 2 down here. So I'm going to take it out. So it becomes equal to 1 over 2 integral of u squared minus 1. Now u multiplied by u is going to give me u squared. So I'm now having something like this. I will have u multiplied by u squared and all this du. So we can open up this bracket. When you open up this bracket, you have 1 over 2 integral u squared multiplied by u squared is u to the power 4 minus u squared multiplied by minus 1 is going to give me u squared, and all of this is happening with respect to u. Perfect. And then when we perform that integral now, we are going to have 1 over 2. I open a bracket. If I integrate u to the power 4, I will simply get u to the power 5. That is 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1, which is 5. And then when I evaluate this integral, I'm going to get u cubed, that is 2 plus 1 divided by 3. Is that okay? 2 plus 1, then plus a constant of integration. So now that we have gotten to that extent, what are we going to do? Okay. Beautiful. So this now becomes, so our solution continues from here. This becomes equal to, I'm taking LCM between 5 and 3. And that LCM is going to be 15. So I'm having here 15. 15 divided by 5 will give me 3. 3 times that will give me 3u to the power 5. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 times that will give me minus 5u to the power 3. Now divided by that, plus a constant of integration. Beautiful. Now this 15 multiplies this 2 to give me 1 over 30. I open a bracket into 3u to the power 5 minus 5u cubed, okay, then plus our constant of integration, and this becomes equal to, remember that u was taken to the square root of 2x plus 1. Perfect. So this becomes equal to 1 all over 30. I open a bracket, 3 into my u, square root of 2x plus 1. Then I'm raising all this to the power 5 since we have u to the power 5 there. Okay, minus 5 into square root of 2x plus 1. All this to the power 3 plus a constant of integration. Perfect. So this now becomes equal to 1 over 30. Square root is the same thing as 1 over 2. Power 1 over 2. This is power 1 over 2. So I have 3. Beautiful. Then here I'll simply have into 2x plus 1. Now 1 over 2 power and this 5. Would that give me 5 over 2? Beautiful. Now minus, I have 5 here. 5 into, we have 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. This square root means power 1 over 2. So when you combine the two of them, you now have to the power. This will now give me 3 over 2. Then we can now close that bracket and then put our constant of integration. So that becomes our final answer. So thank you so much for tuning in to Cerp TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, show support to us, and thank you very much. Do have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.